Hi guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok. I'm here to show you how to cook a lemongrass and sesame steamed sea bass. We've got your lemongrass, cut the ends off, give it a good bash. Once bashed, you can finely chop it. You want this nice and finely chopped. Straight onto the garlic. A couple of cloves should do the job. Add that in. One large red chilli. I quite like the seeds in. If you wish to take them out, you can. Just depends on what heat you want. Finely chopped chilli, add that in with your lemongrass and garlic. So time to set up your fish. It's always good to have a steam tray that can fit inside your steam basket. One layer of fish fillet, the other one on top. Your lemongrass, garlic and chilli mix. Just give that a mix through and then just cover the fillet with that finely chopped lemongrass and garlic. That's going to go straight into the steam basket and then we're going to just steam this directly on top of the wok. 7 minutes, full steam. The sauce starts with Lee Kum Kee's Oriental sesame dressing. Sesame oil, soya sauce, some garlic and chili, and a touch of rice vinegar. A couple of tablespoons of that. Gonna add a little bit more Lee Kum Kee's premium light soya sauce. A tablespoon is fine for some saltiness. And then we're going to add some lime juice to that to really bring out sort of the lemongrass flavour and that citrus flavour. So a good squeeze of lime juice. And just to balance out that citrus flavour, a couple of teaspoons of sugar. And add a bit of hot water to this as well to melt that sugar through. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy. That's what this dish is all about. So the fish has had it 7 or 8 minutes. Doesn't take long at all. You want to keep it nice and soft. Straight out. Keep the lid on for now. We're going to finish it off with just a sear of coriander and some hot oil. Get your coriander straight on top and then sear straight over the top. Sauce now. Really simple cooking. Your lemongrass sesame steamed sea bass. Perfect for Chinese New Year.